UK lock spots and fellow pickers, I've got an asec 6-pin rim cylinder here. I bought off eBay for a couple of pounds. Not a bad price. Working. Using a Peterson gem and a pry bar light if it goes in. Yeah. So I should turn the lock towards me. I'm using light tension. I'm gonna off camera I've picked this really quick, but on it's a bit camera shy. I'm looking for a fault set there. As I said it, we got it. There we go. Picked open. asec 6-pin rim cylinder in quite fast that with a Peterson gem. Thank you very much. Yeah, I've not been making videos because I've not been feeling like it really. But I'll try and get a couple up. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and goodbye.